The Spotify Camp Nou, Europe's largest stadium, is undergoing a transformation that extends beyond its physical renovation, setting a new global standard for technology in sports and entertainment. With a revamped capacity of 105,000 seats and cutting-edge digital innovations, FC Barcelona aims to redefine the stadium experience, delivering something far beyond traditional expectations. As we enter the final month of the year, progress at Spotify Camp Nou continues at a remarkable pace. Barcelona's new stadium, set to be the largest in Europe and one of the most modern worldwide, is steadily taking shape. Work across all sectors is advancing as planned. However, there are no updates on the interior developments, as filming inside the stadium is prohibited by the club. For insights into the interior progress, we'll need to wait for official updates from Barcelona. In this video, we've created animations to illustrate the current state of the works and how they are expected to look in the near future. By comparing the progress made so far with virtual representations of the completed sectors, we aim to give you a clearer visual understanding of how the stadium will transform as the project nears completion. You can sit back and enjoy the following exclusive footage from Espai Hector, presented without any commentary. This video allows you to fully immerse yourself in the visuals and experience the progress of the works firsthand. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.